friends, do you ever help your mama make food in the kitchen? I do, and what I like to do is I like to stir things. In this hand rhyme, we're going to be stirring things. Soup. You ready to make some soup? Let's do it. This is the way we wash our carrots, wash our carrots, wash our carrots. This is the way we wash our carrots when we make our soup. This is the way we chop the broccoli, chop the broccoli, chop the broccoli. This is the way we chop the broccoli when we make our soup. This is the way we peel the potatoes, peel the potatoes, peel the potatoes. This is the way we peel the potatoes when we make our soup. This is the way we add the onions, add the onions, add the onions. This is the way we add the onions when we make our soup. This is the way we stir the vegetables, stir the vegetables, stir the vegetables. This is the way we stir the vegetables when we make our soup. Bye friends, see you next time.